Hey YouTube, it's Craig Durbin here, and I haven't done any videos for a while, and I thought maybe today I would go over a video, produce a video, which I haven't done in quite some time, and talk about my trip to Home Depot and some things that I picked up. So kind of a tool purchase slash unboxing, if you will. So let's jump right into it and see what we got here. I decided to take advantage of the battery promotion that they have going on right now, where you get two 3 amp hour batteries and the fast charger kit, and then you get a free tool to go along with that. And the way that works is when you're at the checkout counter, you ring up the battery and the tool, and they take so much off of the battery set, so much off the tool set. It ends up being about $99. So the first tool that I bought, kind of excited about, is the new 18-volt rotary tool. So if you guys haven't seen this, you might want to check it out. I've seen a couple videos on it. It's a pretty neat tool, pretty versatile, and has a lot of torque and power from what I've seen. The second tool that I got with the purchase of the 3 amp hour battery kits is this Power Source 150 watt battery inverter. Now, this is a new product. I haven't seen much on it. Haven't seen any reviews of it yet. But I'm kind of excited about it because it allows you to have some portable, limited AC power, and it also has two USB ports that you can use that will allow you to charge mobile devices. And with that being said, since most all of my stuff is out in the country, it'd be kind of nice to be able to charge electronic devices on the mobile without having to have AC power. I don't know if it means much for you guys, but to me it's pretty exciting. And then I also went ahead and I purchased this sander because it has the dust collector bag on it, and I think that I can set that up to work with a shop vac or a dust collector. And that's pretty neat because I've got some projects that I want to do that require some sanding. So I'm going to open these different devices up and get back with you. Okay, so if you're not familiar with me or my channel or Ryobi tools, all of which you should check out, subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. That's important because all of us YouTubers are trying to accomplish the same goal. And that's just to put out good videos and have somebody appreciate them for what they are. With the Ryobi tools, they have a website. You buy a tool, and you go home, you unbox a tool, you pull all the stuff out, read it through all the instructions, and see what everything is about and whatnot, and then you go on to the Ryobi Tools website. And it's important that you do this because they have a registration for the warranty and or for tracking purposes in case your tools are stolen. If they recover a tool with a serial number that's registered to you, you could possibly get that back. Now, it's just like anything, it's not always a guarantee, but sometimes it might be kind of nice to do that. So what I want to show you is this 3 amp hour kit. It comes with this nice Ryobi bag right here that will allow you to put batteries, chargers, tools, and whatnot in it. It comes with an instruction manual, or operator's manual, if you will. It comes with two brand new 3 amp hour batteries wrapped in this lovely static guard bag. And each one of these batteries has a power level indicator on the front. So at any point in time, you can check to see what the status of the battery is. So you get two of those. And then you also get the rapid charger with it. Now, just like anything else, they've got all kinds of chargers, and all the chargers are all available to buy individually. But, that's what they put in the 3 amp hour battery combo kit. So we're going to move on to the power inverter tool, which I'm kind of excited about. This is the critter right here. So on the front, you got the AC power outlet, which is good for 125 or 150 watts. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And then you've got two of the USB ports on the front. On the top, you've got a light button, which I'm guessing that there's a LED light on here somewhere. Maybe it's, I'm not sure what that is. And then you've also got the power button, which will turn it on and off. So bear with me here. I'm going to grab a battery and plug this dude in and see what happens. Okay, you turn it on, and the light for the power indicator turns on green. Okay, you turn the light button on, and you got a pretty decent little light. You know, yeah, it's not gonna, illuminate the world or anything like that, but it does put out quite a little bit of light. You can see what you're doing in the dark. It's important, and it's one of the things I really like about Ryobi tools. Most all of their lights that they put on their tools are put in a pretty good usable space. It makes it nice to be able to see things in the dark. And I don't know about anybody else, but when you're out in the dark, you need to use a tool. It's important to have good lighting. Let's see if we can plug something into this and make it work. Okay, so what we got now is unconventional, and I probably will get a lot of flack over this, and probably something that you shouldn't do. But I plugged the brand new battery charger and one of the new batteries in to the power inverter, and you can clearly see that it's charging the battery. Now, I don't recommend that for normal operation. You should never run a battery off of a battery. That's just common knowledge. And if you don't know that, you might check into it. So, currently, we got the new charger running on the AC inverter charging one of the new batteries. And you can tell it's charging because you can see the lights flashing. Now, this is supposed to be a rapid charge system. So, it's supposed to charge these batteries, in a fairly quick amount of time. And as always, when you buy a Ryobi tool, unless specified on the package, you're usually just buying the tool only. So what that does is it allows you to get batteries on special occasions when they have sales, and you can get the battery at an affordable cost. Then you buy the tool individually, and it makes it even cheaper to get the whole setup. And with anything, they've got tons of tools that run on the same battery platform. So it allows you to buy stuff as a DIY guy and really get the value for your dollar. So let's take a look over here, and we can kind of see what's going on over here. The next item that we're going to look at is the sander. Kind of excited about this if you don't know. This is kind of basically what the tool looks like. It's got a Velcro bottom on it, so you can get those sanding pads, and those good ones that tend to wear well and do a good job. It's got holes in the surface, and that allows for dust collection, which comes out of the dust port. And you get this pretty nice dust collector bag. It's got a solid cage in it, so it can really, pack up and grab up a lot of the dust and whatnot. Look on the inside, it's open. And what that does is just slides right down on this port, which you could probably put, a dust collector tube on as well. And then you also get a what appears to be like a 3-pack of sanding discs with it, and that's just enough to get you in the door, get your feet wet. So, and as always, we get the operator's manual, which is important. You should read the operator's manuals. They're there for a reason. Okay? And then next is the tool that I'm really excited about. And it's the brand new rotary tool. There's the owner's manual, operator's manual that goes along with it. You get this handy little kit. It's got all these tools in it that you can use with it. You know, kind of neat. You get the well-built shaft-driven cable with the there's the chuck for the tool that screws into the base, and this little side clamp actually mounts into the base unit itself. And I believe you can put it on one side or the other. No, just on one side. But you know, that's alright. So now we're going to take this animal out of the bag here and see what it looks like. So right away, right off the get-go, this is what it looks like. Pretty nice little unit. Battery goes in the top, and you've got mounting holes. Mount that up on the wall, or you can just set it down on the bench. Doesn't really matter. Has an on-off switch, turn it on and off. Then you got a variable speed control. Kind of nice. So you can control the speed at which the shaft rotates. And then down here on the front is where your shaft connects in. So you just take the tool and line it up. And then you just thread it on there. Like so. Okay. And make sure you get that, you know, not overly snug, but tight enough it's not going to come apart. And then you can take this holder here, and that just is designed just to slide into this slot right here. And that's designed so you can set the tool in the holder when you're not using it. It keeps it safe. It keeps it from flopping around or getting out of control in case somebody accidentally bumps the on-off switch. You know, it's not going to cut anything or tear something up. So let's grab a battery pack and throw it in here and see what happens. So your battery is going to load in from the top like this. Okay? Just like that. You know, there's low speed. It's progressive. Pretty nice tool. And if you notice right here on the front, you've got a place to put all your little whatnots in. All your tools that you're going to be using on a normal basis, you put them right in the top. So that's a pretty neat tool. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. You know? And you might ask, what's the sander like? Well, let's turn the sander on and see. That's pretty nice, you know? On and off right here on the handle. Does a pretty good job. Well, if you like this video, like I said before, subscribe, like, comment. You know, pretty simple. That's just a few tools to have available in the Ryobi set. So my advice is to get out and get some. You know, you never know until you buy something. Check it out, play with it, give it some use.